Oh, look at the little duck prints. They're so cute. Good morning, everyone. So yesterday it started snowing, and we got quite a bit of snow for it being middle of November. So I thought I would show you how much we've gotten and do my chores and show you guys all of that. The boys can hear me, they're starting to come up. So for my chores, I do the boys, the goats, and then the boys, which are the goats, and then Vlad and Snickers, the lamb and the ram. So we recently moved them into a different area for them to eat down all of the food or the brush and stuff in there. But since it snowed and it's not like it's gonna be melting right away, I am getting them some hay to throw in there so that they can have stuff to eat. So it actually is pretty warm out, and you can already tell, like back here and on the driveway and stuff is already starting to melt. But we got a lot of snow. I don't know how much to be exact, but yeah. There's eagles. Helpful hint for all of you guys out there who don't have a lot of snow and don't have winter boots currently. Just get your sandals, your chacos, whatever. If you have chacos, put down the toes and put on a nice pair of socks, and it works just fine. So you guys can hear the boys. They usually don't go this crazy at all. But it's colder than it was a couple days ago or a week ago. It's actually warmer than yesterday. And oh, my hand is getting cold. We don't have any. Hi. Good morning. You guys smell like Christmas trees. Hey. They're pretty happy for the hay. Since we just moved the goats in here a couple days ago, we do not have any hay feeders up yet, but once it warms up, that is something we are going to need to do. Their water is slush. You're gonna have to get them some new water. Okay, for what I said about sandals and socks, unless you have really, really good socks, make sure you stay on existing trails. Hi. I'm getting you some water. There you go, boys. Alright, so that's basically all I have to do for everyday chores for the goats. Usually, depending on if I have to refill the water and stuff, it takes like 5 to 15 minutes if I want to hurry up. But yeah, that's my chores. Also, this is really, really packy snow. Too bad somebody wasn't out here. Theo!